Hello, so today we're going to be unboxing this SGled, this 100-watt colorful light, and SGled make great products. If you're looking for LED lights, highly recommend this company. I've been buying this company products for a very long time, and always a pleasure to use their products. So with that, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's in the box. Okay, so this is the light that I have today. This is the outdoor LED floodlight, so it's quite bright. Last time I purchased a smaller one of these. They have different sizes, as you can see, depending on your need. These are the different model numbers. You can buy these from Amazon, and they all have great reviews. So just love their products. They come very handy with different mounting methods and things like that. So they do have different way that you can mount these depending on your needs, and of course the remote control is just amazing. Okay, so oh, by the way, it does come with a 5-year warranty right here, so their customer support is just amazing. All right, so this is just a service card. Okay, congratulations. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual LED light. This is very heavy already. I can tell the quality that this is made is really good. These are all the small LEDs. So you can see we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then times 3. 18 LEDs right up front, and then of course these have small LEDs in there, so it's a lot of LEDs. By the way, this is the model number, and this is a 100-watt light. Now this is a mounting bracket. You can mount it on the wall, or you can stand it however you want to. And it comes with these mounting wall anchors, which is pretty good. They're very nice and sturdy anchors, but quite frankly, you can get away with something simpler as well. It's good that they provide something as sturdy and heavy, but I think the weight of this is not as much. I mean, it is nice and heavy, but these are good, if you live in the state of Florida, where I do, with a lot of winds and things like that. These will definitely keep you safe, but you can use like a smaller regular anchors as well. This is the remote control. Oops, sorry. So different colors, it takes 2 AA batteries, AAA batteries. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how bright it is. Okay, so just for testing purpose, I just plugged it into the wall, and we're gonna go ahead and try this. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my lights off. And I already put batteries in the remote, so let's go ahead and turn it on. So now it's going through different colors. There's a strobe effect. There's a flash, and these are some of the options that you see on the remote control. Fade, and this is smooth. So this is like a nice transition. So these are some of the options that you see on here. Again, and these are the different colors that you want. So if you want blue, green, red, white, and these are the memory functions. These are some different colors: coral, orange, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, cayenne. So you can see how bright the lights are. I mean, this is just amazing, you know, 100 watt. It's lighting up the entire place, which is pretty good. So I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. And the best feature I like about this is the remote control, you know, so you can mount it anywhere you want and you can control it with the remote control. So you can leave it plugged in. You don't really have to worry about like, you know, losing the lights and things like that, or going and plugging it in every time that you're doing something, you know. So once you mount it, you can forget about it and just control it with the remote control. That's the best part about it. You know, there are many other outdoor lights that are out there, and those you can't really do anything. You know, you have to really mount it with the switch. And having a capability of a remote control like this and controlling it wirelessly, and especially the different colors, is just amazing. You know, love that feature. So again, a great product made by SGled. They make great products. You know, so if you're looking for lights, highly recommend this brand. And so far I'm very satisfied with them. You know, the other light that I purchased been working great. You know, check out the other video. I'm going to leave it in the description below, so you guys can check out that review as well. So guys, hopefully this video helps you guys to pick your proper LED lights, you know, for your indoor or outdoor use for your party. And if you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.